Because we spent a few extra days in the mountains, we had to ride hard through the prairies to catch up to where we were supposed to be. We rode straight from Calgary to Dryden, Ontario. 1,689 kilometers in one day. We were exhausted. After searching through every last hotel in Dryden, we found one last available room. We continued further into Ontario, towards Thunder Bay. We were racing to catch the Chi-Cheemaun Ferry in 2 days. There is nothing up here but forests and gas stations. And of course, to keep everything consistent, the rain made an appearance. We found a beautiful spot to camp on the calm shores of Lake Superior. And best of all, it was free. We have to burn more miles today if we want to make it onto the ferry tomorrow. Just after Wawa, there is a sign warning of some 150 kilometers distance between gas stations. Of course, James and I missed it completely. James ran out of gas, so we topped him off with whatever fuel we had left in the can. My gas warning light came on also. The fuel that we put in the speed triple gave us an additional 50 kilometers of range. The bike ran out again. I told James that I would just continue on, but I soon ran out of gas as well. Pancake Bake was a stunning place to run out of gas in, but nothing to worry about because we were soon rescued by a fellow biker on a gold road. A curious local came out to see what the commotion was about. With our tanks filled, we continued further south. The next morning, we got up early and raced towards the ferry. If we missed it, we would not make it home that day. Manitoulin Island was a blur, but we made it with minutes to spare. We got some dirty stares as we passed everyone to get to the front of the line. Because we were on bikes, we were allowed to board. There is always room for a bike.
This is the last leg of this trip.
We were the last 2 vehicles to be boarded.
Are there big waves out there?
A little bit. There's some waves.
Okay, yeah, good, thank you.
Our trip was coming to an end. We rode from the west coast, across the prairies, and back home to Ontario. This was a trip of a lifetime. This was our across Canada trip. And just to finish off the trip, in the style that we were accustomed to, the rain clouds came out one last time.
Hi, Daniel! Whoa, get out of the way!
And having our families waiting for us at the finish line
Did it?
made the return so much sweeter.
Hi! God, give me a big hug. Oh! What? I'm recording now. Okay,